topic, parallel interconnection of two-port networks. So already previous class we already discussed the series interconnection of two-port networks. Okay. So now parallel interconnection of two-port networks. So for this, first we will consider two individual two-port networks like X two-port network and Y two-port network, right? So for example, so this is your X two-port network. Okay, this I am denoted with X. Okay, and next similarly another two-port network, that is Y two-port network. Okay, and this X two-port network having four terminals, port 1 having two terminals, port 2 also having two terminals. Okay, so here the variables are plus or minus V1x and I1x, and similarly here we have, that means port 2 having two variables, that is V2x and I2x. So this is first two-port network, that is X two-port network, right? Next Y two-port network, similar way. So we have total four terminals. Okay, so for this, so we have total four variables, V1y, okay, I1y, and similarly at port 2 also having V2y and I2y. These are the four variables. Okay, so this is step 1. That means individual two-port networks. For this, so we need to write parameters, two-port parameters. For example, this is parallel interconnection, so that we can able to derive the only Y parameters. Okay, so for series connection, we can able to define the Y Z parameters. So this is parallel configuration, so that we can able to write the Y parameters for X two-port network as well as Y two-port network. Right. First step 1. Okay, step 1. So X network. Okay, for this X network, X two-port network, we need to write Y parameters. So now tell me. So first I1x equals to Y11x V1x plus Y12x V2x, right? Next I2x equals to Y21x into V1x plus Y22x into V2x. These are the Y parameters for X two-port network. And similar way you can write the Y parameters for Y two-port network. Now, so I1y equals to Y11y into V1y plus Y12y into Y12y into V2y. In similar way, I2y equals to Y21y into V1y plus Y22y into V2y. So these are the Y parameters for individual X two-port network as well as Y two-port network, right? So now this is step 1. Step 1 is completed. Now we can come to this configuration. Okay. Now just you can form the parallel configuration, parallel connection at port 1, okay, as well as port 2. So by using these four terminals at port 1, by using these four terminals at port 2. Okay, so now first terminal of X two-port network is connected to first terminal of Y two-port network. Okay, first terminal of X two-port network is directly connected to first terminal of Y two-port network, right? This is over. Next, second terminal of X two-port network is directly connected to second terminal of Y two-port network. Okay, and this one is, here we have one more, and which is directly connected to second terminal of the Y two-port network, right? Now here, and same way you can connect port 2 also. So this is first terminal of X two-port network at port 2, so which is directly connected to first terminal of the Y2 port network. Okay, and same way you can connect second terminal of X2 port network is connected to second terminal of Y2 port network. Alright, so now, okay, this is parallel configuration. Why? Because, for example, for this entire network, so we need to define 4 variables, that is V1, V2, I1, I2. Okay, so in port 1, okay, for this port 1, so we have 2 variables, that is V1 and I1, and similarly for port 2, so we have 2 variables, that is V2 and I2. Right, now this you can observe here. So here the current is I1, so this I1 is divided into 2 parts. Okay, at this node current division will be taking place. Right, at this node current division will be taking place, so that which is called as parallel configuration. Okay, so that means this I1 can be divided into 2 parts. One is towards the X and another one is towards the Y. Right, so and next voltage drop across this network. Okay, so here the voltage, that means voltage V1, this V1 applied across the X2 port network, and the same way the same voltage V1 applied across Y network also. Why? Because just you observe this one, this V1 is directly applied to X network, right? These are the 2 nodes. Okay, this V1 directly applied to the Y network also in this way, right? That means what? Here V1x equals to V1, and same way V1y equals to V1. That means from port 1, what is your observation? Step 2. Okay, so from this port 1, so what about voltages? So here V1 equals to, okay, V1 equals to V1x, okay, V1x, and this V1 directly equals to V1y also, so which is equals to V1y. Okay, from port 1 we can conclude that V1 equals to V1x as well as V1 equals to V1y, so that we can able to write V1 equals to V1x equals to V1y. Okay, this is voltage, and same way you can observe at port 2 also. V2 is applied at X2 port network, and same way V2 is applied at Y network also. Same voltage can be applied for 2 port networks. One is X, another one is Y. Okay, so that we can conclude that V2 equals to V2x equals to V2y. Okay, this is voltage variables. So what about current? Okay, now you can observe here I1 current can be divided into 2 parts, right? One is I1x, another one is I1y towards the Y network. So that we can conclude that I1 equals to, okay, I1 equals to I1x plus I1y, and similar way at port 2 I2 equals to I2x plus I2y. Okay, so these are the observations. So from this entire configuration from port 1 and port 2, so we can able to write V1 variable, V2 variable, I1 variable and I2 variable. Okay, now this is step 2. Okay, so come to this one. So this is entire network is a parallel configuration. For this parallel configuration, so we can able to define Y parameters. So Y parameters means the equation starts with I1 and I2, so that you can focus on I1 and I2 equation. So in this equation, this means this I1 KCL expression, so can be involved in 2 variables, that is I1x and I1y, right? And this I1x value already, so we have, so I1x equals to Y11x V1x plus Y12x V2x. Already we have the expression. So these values substitute here. Okay, now you will get this is port 2. Okay, so I will write here. So I1 equals to I1x value equals to what? Y11x V1x plus Y12x V2x. This is I1x value. Next I1y equals to what? This one, right? So This you can substitute here. Now you will get what? y11y v1y plus y12y v2y, right? So now v1x, v2x, v1y and v2y. Just you can observe here. v1 equals to v1x equals to v1y and v2 equals to v2x equals to v2y. So all the voltage variables can be replaced with v1 and v2, right? Now you will get, so this v1x equals to what? v1y and v1. So we can directly write v1. Okay, that means v1x can be replaced with v1x and v2x can be replaced with v2, and same way v1y can be replaced with v1 and v2y can be replaced with v2. Okay, here v1 variable, here also v1, so you can take common. Now I1 equals to, okay, so y11x plus y11y into v1 plus y12x plus y12y into v2. So this is first expression, right? Okay. Next one, let's you focus on I2. I2 equals to what? I2x plus I2y. Already we have the values I2x and I2y. Just substitute here. Okay. Now we will get I2 equals to, okay, I2x value. So y21x v1x plus y22x v2x. Okay. Next plus I2y, that is y21y v1y plus y22y and v2y. Okay. Now this you can observe these things, voltage variables. So v1x equals to what? v1, and v2x equals to what? v2, and v1y equals to what? v1, and v2y can be replaced with v2. Okay, we have two v1s and two v2s, so you can take common. Then now we will get I2 equals to what? v21x plus, sorry, y21x plus y21y into v1 plus y22x plus y22x plus y22y into v2. This is second expression, right? So from 1 and 2 expressions, okay, from equation number 1 and 2, so we can write I1, I2, which is equals to, okay, y11x plus y11y and y12x plus y12y, and similarly y21x plus y21y, and next fourth one y22x plus y22y into v1x and v1 and v2, right? v1 and v2. Okay, so this is your 2-port parameters for parallel interconnection of 2-port networks, right? So these are the parameters for parallel connection of 2-port networks. Okay, now just you can observe this one. This is y21y. Okay, now so just you can observe this one. Here we have y11x and here we have y12x and y21x and y22x. Just you observe only first terms only. Okay, just you can observe only first terms. Okay, that means what? y11x, 12x, 21x, 22y is nothing but what? Otherwise you can write here. Okay, so y11x, y12x, y21x, y22x. Okay, this is one matrix, and next you focus on these things. Okay, so here y11y, y12y, y21y, y2. That means these parameters related to y2 port network, and these parameters are related to x2 port network. I am segregating these two parameters, right? So now y11y and y12y y21y and y22y. Okay. So now just you can add these two matrix. Now you will get this resultant matrix, right? So that means what? y11x plus y11y, first term is over. y12x plus y12y, second term over. And y21x plus y21y, this one over. And y22x plus y22y, fourth term is over. That means what? This is matrix of, otherwise two-port parameters of X network. That means yx, otherwise, okay, x parameter, sorry, y parameters of x2 port network. And similarly, this is y parameters for y2 port network. Okay, this addition of these two port parameters will give the resultant matrix of parallel interconnection. Okay, parallel interconnection. Otherwise, addition of two y matrices will give the resultant y matrix of parallel configuration. So this is your parallel connection of two port networks, right?